I am genuinely thrilled with this changing foundation stick and can honestly say it has become one of the best additions to my daily makeup routine. From the very first time I used it, I was impressed by how effortlessly it glided across my skin. The creamy, smooth formula blends beautifully with very little effort, creating an even, flawless complexion that still looks natural. It offers buildable coverage, allowing me to achieve anything from a light everyday look to a more polished, full-coverage finish without ever feeling heavy or looking cakey. My skin feels comfortable throughout the day, and I never experience the dryness or tightness that I've had with many other foundation products. One of the things I appreciate most is how lightweight it feels after application. It's easy to forget I'm even wearing foundation because it doesn't leave my face feeling sticky, greasy, or weighed down. Instead, it gives my skin a soft, healthy-looking glow that enhances my natural complexion rather than masking it. The finish is beautifully balanced, making my skin appear smoother, more even-toned, and refreshed. It also blends seamlessly around the hairline, jawline, and neck, creating a perfectly natural transition with no harsh lines. The convenient stick design is another feature I absolutely love. It makes application incredibly quick and mess-free, whether I'm getting ready in the morning, touching up before an evening event, or packing it in my travel bag. I can apply it directly where I need coverage and blend it within seconds, saving valuable time while still achieving professional-looking results. It's compact enough to carry anywhere, making it ideal for busy schedules and on-the-go touch-ups. Another pleasant surprise is how well it layers with the rest of my makeup. It works beautifully with concealer, blush, bronzer, and setting powder without becoming patchy or uneven. Even after several hours of wear, my makeup continues to look fresh and smooth. It doesn't easily settle into fine lines or emphasize uneven texture, which gives me extra confidence throughout the day. My complexion remains bright, polished, and naturally radiant from morning until evening. I also appreciate the overall quality of the formula. It feels luxurious during application and provides consistent results every single time I use it. Whether I'm creating a simple everyday makeup look or getting ready for a special occasion, I know I can rely on this foundation stick to deliver a beautiful finish. It has simplified my makeup routine while producing results that look like I spent much more time getting ready than I actually did. Overall, this changing foundation stick has exceeded every expectation I had. It combines convenience, comfort, beautiful coverage, and a natural finish into one easy-to-use product. The lightweight feel, effortless blendability, long-lasting performance, and flawless appearance make it stand out from many other foundations I've tried over the years. I couldn't be happier with my experience, and I wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone looking for a high-quality foundation that enhances the skin's natural beauty while making everyday makeup application simple, quick, and enjoyable. It truly deserves every bit of praise and has earned a permanent place in my beauty collection.